If you are over 60, this message may change the way you sleep and the way you wake up. Every night, while you rest quietly, your brain begins something powerful. It repairs itself. It cleans itself. It restores the memories you collected during the day. This healing is silent, but it is vital. But here is the concern. Most people go to bed without giving their brain what it needs to repair itself. The brain tries to work through the night, but it does not have the fuel to heal. And that is when you wake up feeling foggy, slow, forgetful, or just tired, even after a full night of sleep. But it does not have to be this way. Today I will show you 3 simple foods that help your brain repair itself during sleep. Not supplements, not complicated routines, just gentle foods that support your brain when it needs it the most. And I want you to pay special attention to the second one, because most people, especially people your age, never use it, even though it may help the most. Stay with me. You are about to learn something that can help every night feel more peaceful and every morning feel more clear. Number 1. Understanding brain repair. During sleep. Before we talk about the foods, let me tell you something many doctors do not explain clearly. When you sleep, your brain does 4 important things. 1. It removes waste. All day long, your brain collects tiny bits of waste from thinking, moving, and dealing with stress. At night, while you sleep, your brain cleans this waste out. 2. It repairs brain cells. Just like your skin heals at night, your brain heals too. This is especially important for older adults because the brain works harder to stay sharp. 3. It strengthens memory. Your brain takes your memories from the day and moves them into long-term storage. 4. It resets stress levels. Nighttime is when your mind releases tension and resets for the next day. But here is the problem. If your brain does not have the right nutrients, it cannot do this work properly. Think of it like trying to fix a house without tools. You have the time, but not the materials. This is why I am sharing these 3 foods. Each one provides a different kind of support your brain needs while you sleep. Let us begin with the first one. 1. Walnuts, the nighttime brain builder. Walnuts may look small, but they carry something very important. Omega fatty acids, the same type of healthy fats found in your brain. Think of your brain like a large network of roads. Every thought, every memory, every decision travels along these roads. But as we age, some of these roads become weaker. They become slower. They do not connect as smoothly as they used to. Walnuts help repair those roads. A small handful of walnuts before bedtime gives your brain the healthy fats it uses to rebuild cells, the nutrients that help reduce nighttime inflammation, the calm energy your mind needs to repair instead of struggle. I once spoke with a retired veteran who told me something powerful. He said, "For years I woke up feeling like my mind was one step behind. I started eating walnuts in the evening, and within weeks, my mind felt like it caught up again." This is not a miracle. It is simple brain nutrition, and here is a small hook you may not expect. Walnuts are one of the only foods shaped exactly like the human brain. This is nature's reminder that this food and your brain work together. Walnuts support nighttime memory repair, better focus in the morning, reduced mental fog, stronger communication between brain cells. If you can, try adding 4 to 6 walnuts after dinner. Not too many, just enough to give your brain the materials it needs to heal at night. 2. Tart cherries, the overlooked sleep healer. This is the food most people ignore, but for older adults, it may be the most important one. Tart cherries contain natural melatonin, the hormone your brain uses to guide sleep cycles. Here is why sleep cycles matter. When you fall into deep sleep, your brain switches into repair mode. But if your sleep cycles are weak, shallow, or broken, your brain cannot enter this healing stage. Tart cherries, either as whole fruit or as tart cherry juice, help guide your brain into proper sleep rhythm. Years ago, I met a woman named Patricia. She was a retired school teacher in her 70s. She had trouble sleeping for more than 20 years. She tried teas. She tried routines. She tried everything except prescription drugs because she did not want to rely on them. One day, her neighbor told her, "Try tart cherry juice before bed." It helped my husband sleep. She felt doubtful, but she tried it. After a few nights, she said something I never forgot. For the first time in many years, I woke up with a mind that felt rested, not just slept. Rested, that is the difference. Tart cherries support deeper sleep cycles, longer repair stages, better nighttime brain cleaning, more peaceful mornings. For older adults, even a small improvement in sleep depth can make a big difference in memory, clarity, and mood. Try one small glass of tart cherry juice about 1 hour before bedtime, or eat a small handful of dried tart cherries. This fruit is gentle, natural, and most importantly, it helps your brain do what it was created to do, repair itself at night. Do not overlook this one. It may be the quiet hero of this whole video. 3. Blueberries, the morning clarity booster. As we age, one of the biggest challenges inside the brain is inflammation. Inflammation can slow down thinking, block memory, and create morning fog. Blueberries contain powerful antioxidants that fight this inflammation. Studies show blueberries can help improve memory, learning, processing speed, morning clarity. But here is what matters most. Blueberries help protect aging brain cells while you sleep. When you eat blueberries in the evening or with dinner, your brain absorbs the antioxidants before nighttime repair begins. And then during sleep, your brain uses these antioxidants to reduce the inflammation that makes you feel slow in the morning. Many older adults describe it like this: "It feels like someone cleaned the windows of my mind." Blueberries may be small, but they carry a strong message. Clarity does not disappear with age. It only needs a little protection. If there is one message I want you to hear today, it is this: your brain is not slowing down because of age alone. It is slowing down because it needs the right fuel to repair itself at night. You are not helpless. You are not losing your mind. Your brain simply needs support. And these 3 foods, walnuts, tart cherries, and blueberries, are some of the simplest, safest, and most powerful tools you can use. Small steps, real results, night after night. Aging does not mean losing your independence. It does not mean losing your clarity. And it does not mean becoming weaker. Your brain is still strong, still capable, still ready to help you live with dignity and confidence. Give it what it needs tonight. Protect it, fuel it, honor it. If this message helped you, please like this video so others in our elder community can find it. And if you want more warm, simple, powerful guidance made for seniors, you are welcome to subscribe to Wisdom for Elders. Thank you for being here. Your wisdom is valued, and your journey continues.